The carrot cake meets cheese cream is our product of the month. This is a moist, nutty carrot cake with a delicious creamy cheesecake filling, decorated with velvety cream cheese, frosting and caramelized walnuts. The yellow icing drizzled across the top adds a decadent finishing touch. And as a restaurant or cafe owner, you will appreciate the fact that this versatile cake comes pre-cut into 12 slices, making handling and serving simple. In just a few steps, you can transform our product of the month into a wonderful wintry dessert. Simply decorate it with some crumbled Biscoff biscuits, add some plum compote and drizzle with salted caramel. Et voila! You have a delicious winter dessert that's the perfect treat on a chilly day. If you have been inspired by our carrot cake meets cheese cream, you can find out more about our entire product range on our website.